The Harley-Davidson Crossbones. A forgotten classic, Harley-Davidson's late 2000s lineup had a hidden gem, the Crossbones 2008-2011. This factory bobber stood out for its retro style, but was quickly forgotten despite its striking appearance. With a Springer front end, solo saddle, and blacked-out finishes, it looked straight out of a post-war custom shop. A rebellious throwback that proved Harley could deliver old-school cool without compromise. A nod to the past, the Crossbones was born from Harley's Dark Customs initiative, intentionally designed to evoke the look of 1940s, 1960s choppers. Its foraged rear and vintage-inspired features made it stand out. Many mistook it for a true classic. This wasn't just about aesthetics. The Crossbones tapped into a growing desire for nostalgia, a trend that saw riders yearning for the raw, stripped-down look of early custom motorcycles. The fact that it was discontinued after only 4 years makes it all the more desirable today. Under the skin, modern muscle in retro clothing. Despite its vintage style, the Crossbones wasn't just a looker. It packed a twin-cam 96B engine, offering modern performance with a classic layout. Harley refined the gearbox in 2010, switching to a helical gear set to reduce noise, a quiet upgrade for a bike built to turn heads. The engine delivered ample torque, making it surprisingly quick off the line. Riders often underestimated it, assuming an old-school look meant old-school power. Handling and comfort. A balancing act, the Crossbones used the original softall frame, which had handling quirks but still offered a cool, classic feel. The rear suspension was adjustable for a modern ride, though access was tricky due to its location under the transmission. The Springer front end, reintroduced in 1988, added to the vintage vibe. While it handled most situations well, high-speed bumps could cause chatter, reminding riders that this wasn't a modern sport bike. Why it matters today, the Crossbones illustrates a broader trend: manufacturers embracing nostalgia while delivering modern reliability. It also raises questions about why some models fade into obscurity despite their unique appeal. The bike's short production run makes it rare and sought after, turning it into a collector's item. The Crossbones serves as a reminder that sometimes, the most memorable bikes are the ones that didn't stick around forever. The Crossbones was short-lived, overlooked, and effortlessly cool. It remains a testament to Harley-Davidson's ability to blend old-school attitude with modern engineering.